Welcome to the first lesson of ukulele play, 1, 2, 3. This lesson talks about the open strings. We have our regular standard C-tuned ukulele, and we always count the strings up from the bottom. So the first string is like the bottom rung of a ladder. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and so your fourth string is your G string. Your third string is your C string, your second string is your E string, and your first string is your A string. So with these 4 strings, and without using our left hand at all, there's one song I know of that we can actually play. And when you're just starting out, you might want to just do with your thumb, pick with your thumb, okay? And so I'll show you a different way to do it in just a second, but for right now we're going to do it with the thumb. So it basically goes G, G, E, A, G, E, G, G, E, A, G, E, G, E, G, E, E, G, G, C. Okay, and that is Ring Around the Rosies, of course. So, we can take it a little bit faster. Why don't you try it with me? Okay, and if you need the sheet music, you can download this on ukuleleplay.com. Okay, so 1, 2, ready, and go. There we go. So there is the only song I know of that you can play just on the open strings without using the left hand at all. There's another way you can play it, and that's by taking your thumb and your first 2 fingers. You're going to assign your first 2 fingers to strings 1 and 2, and you're going to pluck the strings 3 and 4 with your thumb. Okay, this is a really, really common technique for finger picking. Okay, and so instead of doing all thumb, I'm going to use the appropriate fingers for each of those strings. Okay, so it's going to be like this. 1, 2, ready, and go. Let's try that again. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and go. Okay, so there we go. There's lesson 1. Open strings, Ring Around the Rosies. We'll get into mostly chorded songs through the rest of this course, but that shows us where those strings are and what notes they belong to. If you download that sheet music, you can see on the staff where those different notes belong to according to what I played. Okay, and it's a common enough song that you should be able to line up that knowledge together so that you can actually read those notes. Let me just close by saying any of these notes is going to be made sharp or flat just by either going up farther or down farther 1 fret. So we have like an A here, okay, and then A sharp or B flat, same note, B, C, and that's just how the fingerboard works. We have all the frets equal half steps, and so you can make half steps and whole steps and build a scale out of those. We'll talk about that some other time. But that gets you started, and so now you know which your open strings are, and when you put things on to do a chord, you'll be able to figure out what you've changed those notes into just by looking at the chord diagrams. Okay, we'll see you next time. This is M. Ryan Taylor with Ukulele Play, Ukulele Play 1, 2, 3.